Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this gel nail polish starter kit with UV light and drill that my wife ordered. So go ahead and do a quick unboxing here to show you. So obviously this is the box it comes in. We'll go ahead and open this up. Alright, so we got the box open. Comes this nice packaging. We'll have to take this nice little confetti or whatever out of here. So it looks like these boxes have your nail polishes in them, as you can see right here. I'm not going to take them all out, but there's that box. And then got some more boxes over here. And the colors are on the top, as you can see there. So that's one marked. I'll show you another one. There you go right there. So if you want to see what color it is, you can look at the sticker on the top of them. So those are your nail polishes. This looks like this right here is your UV drying kit. So here's your nail dryer. You got instructions in here, so you want to read those. I'll just go ahead and show you this real quick. So you've got your LED lights under here, that UV lights that help you dry. There's where your power cord goes, and then here's on, off, low heat, and you got 5 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. I'll go ahead and put this back in here. This right here is your power cord for your for the dryer that I just showed you. So that plugs into the little plug outlet in the back of the dryer that I showed you. So yeah, right here you've got some more files in here. You've got let's see, some other stuff. So here's your other accessories. You got a bunch of other accessories in here, as you can see. Right here, your files, little stickers for your nails if you want to use them. Got more accessories right here, as you can see. So it does come with quite a bit of stuff. Little brush. And then last, this looks like your drill set. Yep, here's a small little drill, which is pretty cool. Got the end where your attachments go, where your power cord goes. So here's your power cord in here. Just little USB connection. And you plug that in there, as you can see right there. Here's your little power dial right there. And here's your instruction booklet, so you want to use that. I'll read that first. And then here's your drill attachments. So pretty cool to file down nails and stuff. So that's pretty much it. Looks like a nice, pretty little beginner starter set if you want to do your own nails.